As a software vendor, we're always looking at the market and trying to understand where our next competitive threat is coming from. And what we're seeing is the next wave of disruption for all enterprise software vendors. And these are new class of vendors like Gainsight and C3, who are what we call analytics first. And they are building applications thinking about data and thinking about how they can drive transactions rather than being transaction first. The challenge for every enterprise software vendor today is how are you going to respond to this threat? And it's going to be difficult. For big vendors, there's always this vested interest in not wanting to change. It's difficult for individuals to actually understand and to innovate in larger organizations. And often these organizations underestimate the threat of this change. And take SaaS as a really good example. Who saw Salesforce coming in the early days? And that's exactly what's happening today. So as an enterprise software vendor, you fundamentally have four choices. You can do nothing and let this new class of vendor disrupt your market. You can buy and integrate one of these new classes of vendor. You can create a new product from scratch. Or ultimately, you can change your core product. The question that you need to ask yourself ultimately is, from a renovation perspective, is it cheaper to just tear your house down and start again, or do the renovations you need today?